Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to change brightness of a video using Media3 transformation in native Android application. So let's get started. So here you can see this is a video which I have playing, and I have actually changed the brightness of the video. So I'll show you the original video first. I'll change the brightness back to 0. Then you may be able to understand how exactly the original video looks like. So here I am playing a video from a network URL. So here you can see this is how I changed the wrong screen. I'll change it to 0. I'll run it again. I'm playing a video from a network URL, but in the second demo I will also show you how to pick a video from a video picker and then change the brightness. So here you can see this is how the original video looks like, and I have already shown you how the brightness looks like, right? So if the brightness can vary from -1 to 1. So choose a value, don't choose extreme values. If you select -1, you will see an extremely black video. If you select +1, you will see extremely white video. So I have selected 0.5f. That seems fair to me. I'll just run it again. Also I have one convert button. So what the convert button basically does is that it will apply the brightness effect of 0.5, and it will save the video to your external storage and then start playing the video. So here I'll just pause the original video again. Also for the original video I have applied the brightness, but if you want to save the video you can just click on this convert button. Also inside logcat I'm displaying the progress bar as well. So here you can see the 2 which you see is the progress state, and the 35 you see is the actual progress of how much things have happened. So the second video which I am playing is saved actually to external storage, and it is playing from external storage. So here you can see at the very bottom it didn't go till 100. The reason is the video is very short. So here I will just show it to you. Okay, I'll just search it by progresses, because there are a lot of other logs as well. So here you can see the last log is 090, right? So it didn't reach till 100, but here you can see the progress state changed to 0. That's how you can know that okay, the progress completion has happened, because for shorter videos it doesn't reach till 100 sometimes. Also I have added 500 milliseconds delay, so that's also a factor. Now this is for video which is stored in on a network URL. Now if you want for video which is stored on your own local storage, so for that I have created another activity. I'll just make this second activity as the main activity so that it automatically runs that. And here I'll also have to make this as true. Okay, then here I'll choose some extreme value. So suppose 1.0f. okay, now here you will see an extremely white video. I shouldn't select 1.0f, otherwise it doesn't look good. I'll select 0.75f. okay, or maybe -0.5f. let's see how it looks. Yeah, I'll rerun it again. Wait, it's already running. Let me wait for it to compile. Okay, I'll rerun it again. Okay, so here you can see I have two buttons. One is called pick video. If I click on pick video, it will open the video picker. So here you can see it is showing all the previous videos which were saved to my external storage. I'll select some other video, a short video which is 1 minute long video. Now here you can see it has applied the brightness of -0.5. that's why you're not able to see anything. Anyways, I'll just pause this video and I'll click on convert. So it will just apply this brightness of -0.5, save the video to external storage and start playing it. Okay, so firstly what you will have to do is you will have to create a native Android application. I'm using XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. Next, inside Android manifest, make sure you add internet permission, read write external storage permission, and I have created two activities which I'll show you shortly. So to create an activity, you can just go to your project, over here just right click, new activity, empty views activity. So and just give it some name and click on finish. Here you can see the output is also playing. So yeah, that's it. So I have already created a second activity. Okay, next coming back to our main activity. So also will inside build.gradle.kts we have to add few dependencies. So you will have to add all these dependencies. Once you add this, you will have to go to libs.versions.toml. Make sure you add this Media3 exo player, whatever is the latest version, use that. And here you will have to add this bit of code. So I have also added this as well. Then just click on sync now. It will download all the dependencies for you. Once that is done, inside activity underscore main, I'll just show you. So here I have one constraint layout. So this first player view is for playing the original video. Okay, then the second player view is for playing the video which saved to external storage, and I have one button for convert and one for progress bar as well. Then inside main activity, so these are all the imports which I have. You can just copy paste all these imports. Then we are extending transformer.listener. So we will be overriding two methods, on completed and on error, which I will show you shortly. Then I have just created two exo players, two player views, one progress bar, one file name string. Playback position is 0, play when ready is true. Created our transformer file path. This is my video URL which is stored on server. You change it to whatever you feel like. Here we are creating handler and progress holder to track the progress, and for older version of Android we require read-write external storage permission. Then I have created this request permission launcher as well, which help us to understand whether we have the permission or not. Here I have created an array list of effect, and here I have created our brightness. Change the brightness to whatever you feel like. Then here we are adding our brightness to our effect. Here we are initializing our progress bar as well as our input and output player view, and on button click we call this request transformer permission, which I will show you shortly. So here this is how we initialize our input player, and pay attention to this line, because I have set the video effects. As soon as I select any video, it automatically apply that effect of brightness to this particular video as well. If you don't want this brightness, you can just comment this out. Okay, for the first player. For the second player I will show you how we are applying the brightness by using transformer. So it's up to you. So here we are initializing our output player, which is our second player. Okay, and it just plays file from a file path. Here this is the code for releasing our player. On start we are initializing our input player. On stop we are releasing our player. On resume we are resuming it. On pause we are pausing it. On destroy we are releasing our player. So this is the method which gets called on button click. So here if you are above Android R, we don't require any permission. We just call setup transformer. If not, then we request the permission. Then here we just call setup transformer. So we release our output player if the output player is already playing some video, and then just call transform video. So firstly we display a progress bar. Here we initialize our transformer, then our input media item, then our edited media item. So here you can see we are passing the effect. So this is how we are applying the brightness to the second video, or the video which is stored to external storage. Here we create our external file and pass the file path. This is how we track the progress. So the first variable is progress state, second variable is progress. This is how we create the external file. So you can just copy paste the code if you want to. Now to save file to external storage, this is the code. Now this code only works on API 29 and above. I have copy pasted it from Stack Overflow. So if you are trying to do it below API 29, you might have to find another way, but I think more and more people are upgrading their Android application. Already the latest HDK level is 35, so I think 29 is pretty fine with me. So yeah, here we are creating our content values. This is how we save the video to external storage. So just copy paste it for now. And here I have told you, right, we have this on completed and on error. So here we display our output player, initialize our output player, and we save the file to external storage, display a toast message. we make the progress bar visibility gone, and inside on error we just display our output player, display like hide our output player and a progress bar in case of error, and display a toast message. That's it. Now coming back to second activity, it is exactly similar to first activity, so I won't explain in much depth. So same, the only thing inside layout is I have added one more button to pick a video. Rest everything remains the same. So this is for initial player view, this is for the second player view, this is for convert button, this is the progress bar. Coming back to second activity, these are all the imports. Okay, this all things are exactly same, this is also same. We don't have the video URL at the start, so for that we call this particular method on the button click. So here you can see we are picking only by videos, and once the user picks a video, we get the URI, we assign it to this variable and initialize our input player and call resume. Rest everything remains the same. So I'll simply scroll through this. You can pause the video wherever you feel like. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.